Hello my friends, and thank you for being with me again. What I have prepared for you this time is the same road traffic video I used in one of my previous videos. The presentation page in this video is a different one. This page shows the background from the camera view, and it also has all the lines and zones defined for the particular setup drawn over it. In particular, we have 3 traffic lanes in total. All of them have one-way traffic. We have 3 lines defined, one per lane. The background has all the lines drawn over it, and the line names are written above lines. Whenever a tracked object crosses over the line, it creates a new count. Counts may be in or out, depending on the direction in which the vehicle is moving. If it comes to the line from the side on which the line title resides, it creates one out count. In our case, all counts will be out according to the one-way traffic of the lanes and the lane's orientation. Real-time values of the line counts are shown right below the beginning point of the line. The first integer value is in count, followed by a slash and out count for every counted object class. By the way, if you refresh the page, all counts presented will be set to 0. We also have 3 zones in the setup. Zones are defined as polygons whose occupancy by tracked objects is measured over time. The zone occupancy for each class of object is represented by a real number, the value of which is calculated as an average occupancy over a predefined number of frames. For every frame, we count all objects by their classes that we find inside the zone polygon. Then we add the counts to the sums from the previous frames. When the number of frames contained in the sums reaches the number used for averaging, then the totals counted for each object class are divided by the averaging frame count, and that resulting number is the zone occupancy shown for each zone. The counting then starts from 0. New values for zone occupancy arrive in regular intervals. The averaging frame count is set separately for each zone. In our setup, all 3 zones have frames count for averaging set to the same value, 300. The video source has a frame rate of 30 frames per second. A frame count for averaging of 300 means that for every 10 seconds we will have new values for the zone occupancy. If one car is constantly in the zone for 10 seconds, it will be counted as 1.0 occupancy. For example, if one car is in the zone for 100 frames and the other car is in the zone in 50 frames over the 300 frame averaging cycle, that situation will be counted as 0.5 occupancy. Line crossings are a measure of traffic throughput. On the other side, zone occupancy will also tell you when and for how long the traffic in the lane stops for whatever reason.